Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm painting a Ghibli style art painting, and it's inspired by Studio Ghibli nature process. So let's start the video. Sometimes we look at a blank page and thinking, where do I have begun? It feels empty, a little scary, like nothing will come out of it. But that's where every story begins, with a single step. Every small details matters. It may not be perfect, and that's okay. Mistakes will happen, changes will come, but each stroke brings you closer to something beautiful. Progress is not about being flawless, it's about trying, experiment, and enjoying the process. Every small effort is a step towards creating your own story. So start today, no matter how small the step fails. Because every masterpiece begins somewhere, and yours begin with you. Bye.